understand the things. If you want to include some NR 5 NR means your new radio 5G signals into your satellite. So it's also possible that we can also go for some type of NTN channels. Okay, so basically, and this is your non terrestrial network channel. So we can also design. So various channel we have the option to design in the MATLAB. So you can find out in the documentation. But if you want to work on some type of 5G standard into your satellite communication, so it's also possible that we can also generate some type of NTN channel for to transfer your for 5G application. So support NTN narrowband channel as defined in their 3GPP using the standard. Then this is your another standard is given that we can include NTN channel. So there are various standards supported now. So this also allows provision for user defined environment and customer delay profile, and it supports modeling of satellite orbits also. So here what we can say, we can set the parameter of NTN channel, then we can configure base channel, satellite Doppler. So we can include these effects like Doppler effect, shift and channel filters. Then here we have the part of this like generate path gains on NTN channel. So here we have the option to generate the path gain for the base channel, and we can also again apply the Doppler shift due to the satellite movement for the path gain. Then for that, this is your input signal, and then we can just go for the filter that signal for the your faded signal. So this is like NR NTN PD SCH throughput example we are going to take. So new radio NTN physical downlink share channel throughput, that if you are going to use here using in this example, like you have this transport block, you are transferring here 2 frame maybe, then you are going to use this DL downlink share channel. This is PDS and pre-coding here on this Doppler pre-compression you are going to do, and here you are going to use the NTN fading channel model. Okay, then further another side you are going so for timing and CD of DM, this type of correlation decoding on the. Let me just open this. Okay, first let me just show you that what we have this generator using this one. So if you are going to select your different type of waveform generator here, like your if you want to work on the 5G, so we have these options for related to WLAN, WPN. These are the options you can provide, and further we have this sine wave for radar, related to radar we can do generate. So we can also generate different type of signals. Suppose like downlink 5G you can want to generate, so we can just feed the parameter here and just click on this generate, so it will generate a specified 5G signal for you. Further we if you want to impairment your wave, so we have the option like we can also include the impairment. uh, we can also include the impairment, and after going to impairment we can just generate. And further if you want to generate the code, so automatically it's possible that we can generate the MATLAB code, and if you want to import that code into Simulink environment, so it's also possible. So basically, Symlink is a GUI-based environment in which we have the library. So I'm just going to reiterate. But if you want to learn more about the Symlink, you can launch the Symlink here. Then it will open a some type of library. So we'll see and that portion. So let me just open this example. So as I told you that we are going to use a throughput that we are going to transmit our data, and in this we are going to use the NRNTN channel, and the on the receiver side we are going to see that what will happen to our data. So simulation length and SNR ratio, you can just create a struct. So struct, using struct is a MATLAB basic variable. So using the structure command, you can create a is some type of structure. This is called sim parameter. Then in this structure you are going to number of frames. So right now you are going to use only 2 frame right now in this example particularly, but if you want to use any type of frame, so we can also use. Then this is my signal to noise ratio range I'm going to define. So as you know, if you are want to work on the 5G signal, so lot of parameter we are going to define. Then here again we have the this display simulation information. If you want to display, you can true it or false it. Now we are going to just Doppler compensation configuration. So this is my Doppler. I'm creating a one field. This is true, and this is also a another field. This is false. Receiver side, I'm just disable it. Further, I'm going to create a carrier and PDCS configuration, like physical downlink share channel, and this is my bandwidth in resource. This is cyclic, different type of parameter, lot of things you are going to enter here, like carrier. So everything is written that set waveform type and PDS numerology. So these are the different parameter you are going to set if you are going to work on with the 5G. So easy, just we can just by default I'm going to number of cell ID is 1, but I can increase the value here. Then some parameter I can easily edit. So lot of parameter I'm going to define here for this. Now we are going to, if you want to get some information, so you can also get the information from that baseband waveform. Then we can just go for the propagation model of construction channel. So NTN channel, here we are going to use this in the, this is my NTN channel type. So it is a predefined functions is available, so we can select. Right now by default we are going to use only narrow band. Then we can also just select out the TDL, or this is the property of this one, like carrier frequency, elimination angle. So we are going to set the property of this channel. uh, these are the property we are going to. Then we are going to use the processing loop to find out the throughput of each SNR point, analyze the PDS data for each transmission. So lot of thing we are doing here, but just for reference, that we are going to generate the transport block here. We are going to generate the resource grid, generate the waveform, apply the Doppler pre-compensation channel, what we have seen in the block diagram. Then we are going to model the and apply the noisy channel, apply the Doppler compensation. We are going to perform the channel estimation. So these are the steps you are going to follow. A lot of things we are going to do here. So this is the program for that. So let me just run it, and we will show the effect that how this uh, but result is here. So it will actually it will show you the your power for 2 frames. Okay, one picture it will show you. So maybe some error is coming in this, maybe it is not in path. Let me just check out. Maybe something added maybe wrongly, but you can open this example. From the example it will run. Maybe I think it is showing that my some function is edited here. So it will show you that how your 2 frames are transmitted, and what is the your throughput at your end or receiver end. So basically in this example you can also include your some type of 5G NTN for your non-terrestrial network. This satellite communication toolbox has the feature for this also. So apart from that, just I have just given you some idea, Ajay, that if you are know the theory of your satellite communication. So I hope that as a satellite communication engineer, what are the things you are going to achieve. So MATLAB will help you that how you are going to achieve all the things, your complete satellite system design using this one. And for each step, like scenario generation, or if you are going to link levels simulation, different type of scenario, or if you want to work on the some uh, link level budget analysis, so it will help out you. So just we have just learned the things uh, today, that we have seen the what are the options are available within the satellite communications, like related to your orbit propagation and visualization. So we can generate some type of scenario. So some functions are given within the toolbox. Further we have seen that how you can analyze for your link budget analysis. So for this, within the MATLAB we have link budget analyzer app. So we can just create the scenario for uplink, downlink, or for your cross links also. And we can also include some input output parameter. We can visualize some plots from that link budget analyzer. We can include the uh, some scenario like some environment condition like raining, or other environment condition. Then we have the options, functions are available within the toolbox. If you want to generate some type of waveform, so we can also import these waveform from the files also. And best part is, as a satellite communication engineer, if you want to work, so maximum code are open or for you. So you can edit, you can open any code, and if you want to change in any code according to your requirement, so you can also utilize that MATLAB code for your applications. Then satellite design communication toolbox lets you focus on design and verifications only. So it will help out your maximum part it will cover, or you can just concentrate on your design and verification part. Now, if you want to learn more about this one, so we have this MathWorks site. We can visit on the MathWorks site in the product category, and we can watch the videos also. And wireless communication solution page, we have various uh, toolboxes are given. So if you want to design some complete system, maybe some part of in this you want to learn. Suppose you're some type of aeronautics or antenna design, so we have the some helping document to design your antenna. Or if you want to include some sensors, so we have the sensor fusion toolbox. So using that you can track also uh, the sensor, the signal from your different type of sensor. So including that, you're just going to have more resources and you can learn more on this one. So let me just show you just then we will take the question on this, and just let me just show you that how you can just learn more about the MATLAB as well as. So uh, so you need so in the on the MathWorks site, maybe if you are from the SGITS, so you have the campus-wide lessons of MATLAB. You need to just create the MathWorks account. If somebody not from the SGITS and don't have the MATLAB license, so still you can create your MathWorks account with your personal mail ID. So once you create your MathWorks account, so if you are going to visit into MathWorks account, you will get in maybe some license within your, but here we have this my courses options. Okay, so in the my courses option, so everybody will get around at least 13 to 14 basic courses, plus if you have the campus wide license you will get also some extra courses. So you can just start to work with the MATLAB, to learn the MATLAB using just completing this MATLAB on ramp courses. So basically it is a some hands-on course. You can complete this course in online mode, and step by step it will show you everything, and it will give you the help and how you are just going to perform some basic command from the MATLAB, and no need to install the MATLAB. So you can complete these type of courses on ramp courses in online mode. So under this on my courses option, you will find out some course related to the Simlink, also some communication. Maybe satellite communication is not there, but I will just share you some video resources. So if you are going to, so you need to just complete this course first to learn the MATLAB, then you can explore more on the MathWorks site. So in the product category, that how the industry and how the MATLAB is useful. So you can also explore the things from here, like wireless communication. This is my satellite communication. So in the product page, so we can just explore the example. Some videos are given that what is the, so you can explore the related to your link budget analyzer example, waveform generation. So there are some examples, generate waveforms. I have just not share example, but this is a example that inbuilt functions are given, so to generate your different type of. So you can also open these example into MATLAB. So copy this command and directly just type in the MATLAB this command, so it will open this example, or otherwise you can explore the satellite communication toolbox. So example are given there. So using that you can just learn the things from the documentations. You can also connect with the community. So maybe some community related to the satellite communication. So we can also just share the idea that what is happening uh, around the world. So आप उस कम्युनिटी से जुड़िए, आपके पास कुछ आइडियाज हैं तो यू कैन आल्सो शेयर योर आइडियाज, और वहां पे एक्सपर्ट क्या कर रहे हैं आपके फील्ड में, सो यू कैन आल्सो सी दैट आइडियाज. सो ये सब आपके लिए है. सो इनको एक्सप्लोर करिए. सॉल्यूशन का मतलब है कि अगर आप सॉल्यूशन वाले टाइप में जाएंगे, सो इससे आपको पता लगेगा कि इंडस्ट्री में मैटलैब की कैसे यूज हो रहा है, किस फील्ड में यूज हो रहा है. एप्लीकेशन के अकॉर्डिंग आप जाइए, इंडस्ट्री में जाइए, सो इट विल मोटिवेट यू दैट हाउ मैटलैब इज यूजफुल फॉर यू. सो ये सारा जो भी आपका एप्लीकेशन है उसके लिए आप अपने इसमें जा सकते हैं, कम्युनिकेशन फील्ड में जा सकते हैं, इलेक्ट्रिफिकेशन, वायरलेस कम्युनिकेशन. सो इस फील्ड में कैसे यूज हो रहा है. सो आपका यहाँ पे बहुत सारे लिंक मिलेंगे, मोटिवेशनल, कुछ आरएफ डिजाइन, एंटीना डिजाइन. सो ये आपको थोड़ा मोटिवेट करेंगे. और ये सब अगर आपको हार्डवेयर पे थोड़ा काम करना है, एफपीजीए बेस, सो एचडीआर वगैरह पे काम करना है, तो ये सब आपको यहाँ पे I think this is from my side. So now if you have any questions, we can take the questions also.
सर हेलो.
Yes.
जी सर, मुझे ये पूछना था, आर देयर एनी स्टूडेंट वर्जन और लाइक टेस्टिंग वर्जन अवेलेबल फॉर मैटलैब. मतलब मैटलैब की प्राइसिंग वैसे बहुत हाई है, और उनका गेट स्टार्टेड वाला फ्री वाला वर्जन अगर यूज करें फिर भी उसमें बहुत सारे फीचर्स अवेलेबल नहीं रहते. तो
Yes, yes,
कोई
yes.
ऐसा
So you are basically from which institute?
आई एम फ्रॉम मेडिकैप्स.
Medicaps. ओके, बट रिसेंटली मेडिकैप में अभी मैटलैब परचेज किया उन्होंने. सो बट हाँ, मे बी सैटेलाइट कम्युनिकेशन इज नॉट देयर, बट व्हाट यू कैन डू, यू कैन जस्ट डाउनलोड द ट्रायल वर्जन फॉर दैट. ओके. सो स्टूडेंट वाला जो आपका वो रहेगा उसमें थोड़ी लिमिटेशन रहेगी. ठीक है. सो अभी 1 मंथ के लिए आप मैटलैब ट्रायल ले सकते हैं, 1 मंथ के लिए.
ओके सर.
एनी अदर क्वेश्चन? किसी और का कुछ क्वेश्चन? अच्छा, मैं जैन सर को ये डॉक्यूमेंट जो आज की पीपीटीज है, कोड है, मैं आपको शेयर कर दूंगा, सो यू कैन जस्ट गो द प्रैक्टिस.
Sure, sure, Manoj ji. Thank you.
एनी अदर क्वेरी? कोई मतलब कोई भी किसी टूल बॉक्स की है, कोई बेसिक क्वेरी है आपका अपार्ट फ्रॉम द सैटेलाइट?
ये वर्जन कौन सा है?
मैटलैब का ये आपका R2020B, दिस इज
20B.
लेटेस्ट वर्जन.
तो ये ईयर को इंडिकेट करता है क्या? 2020?
सर एक्चुअली क्या होता है, मैथवर्क्स हर साल 2 वर्जन रिलीज करता है. एक मार्च में आता है, एंड ऑफ मार्च, और एक सितंबर एंड में आता है. सो उस ईयर को ए वर्जन नेम देता है, जो मार्च में आता है उसको बी देता है. उसमें डिफरेंस क्या होता है कि कुछ टूल बॉक्स भी ऐड हो जाते हैं, और टूल बॉक्स के साथ साथ हर टूल बॉक्स में कुछ नई फंक्शनलिटी, कुछ नए एग्जांपल्स होते हैं. तो ये डिफरेंस होता है. तो लेटेस्ट वर्जन अभी.
Manoj ji, can you tell me where is the registered office, in which country MATLAB है?
नेट यूएसए सर, इन द फॉरेन.
Yes,
इट इज
yes.
यूएसए बेस्ड
Manoj,
कंपनी.
can you tell me how big this company is actually?
सर इट इज वेरी लार्ज कंपनी. अगर इफ वी टॉक अबाउट द मैथवर्क्स, सो वेरी बिग कंपनी इन द रिसर्च फील्ड. तो काफी बड़ी कंपनी है सर मैथवर्क्स ना.
Because what I feel is the MATLAB is so powerful tool,
यस सर.
and I think student and faculty must use it.
यस सर, यस सर.
अभी क्या हो रहा है कि MATLAB ले तो लेते हैं, या तो नहीं होता है या होता है, लेकिन होता है तो पूरी तरह यूज नहीं करते हैं उसको.
सर वो मैंने आपसे बात किया, तो वी विल जस्ट इन्वॉल्व विद यू, सो दैट अभी अमित नाइक सर के साथ भी अभी मे बी आई विल गोइंग टू विजिट इन द नेक्स्ट वीक एट योर कैंपस आल्सो. सो स्टूडेंट के साथ थोड़ा इंटरफेस करेंगे, तो थोड़ा पहले बेसिक सीखेंगे वो.
मुझे ऐसा लगता है अभी जो करंट डिमांड है, जहां हम सॉफ्टवेयर वगैरह ओरिएंटेशन में जा रहे हैं, तो मतलब तो एकदम कंपलसरी लैंग्वेज हो जाना चाहिए बच्चों के लिए.
यस सर, यस सर. इसमें बहुत.
मनोज जी.
जी सर.
Now, I think this app-based MATLAB is also available. Student can use the MATLAB with the help of their mobile also. Is it correct?
But it is very limited option सर. ओनली कमांड विंडो पे कुछ. हाँ, उसमें टूल बॉक्स ओपन नहीं होंगे. आप थोड़ा बहुत एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन, मैट्रिक डिफाइन नहीं कर सकते.
They don't need the storage, and the model can be saved on the cloud, something like this.
यस सर. इफ यू हैव द कैंपस वाइड लाइसेंस जो आपके पास है एसजीएचएस में, सो स्टूडेंट मैटलैब ऑनलाइन भी यूज कर सकते हैं अपनी आईडी से ना. सो ये मैटलैब ऑनलाइन अपने अकाउंट में जाएगा. सो यहाँ से मैटलैब ऑनलाइन, ये तो आप गूगल पे टाइप करिए, एंड मैटलैब ऑनलाइन, इसके थ्रू आप यू कैन ओपन द मैटलैब ऑनलाइन. सो एवरी स्टूडेंट विल.
We are conducting some work, and students are using their mobiles. They can develop the model on their mobile also.
No sir, there is some limitation on the mobile app.
The limitation is there.
Yes sir, yes sir.
I tried on mobile, but I was failed actually. I was not comfortable, so I I didn't try then.
नहीं sir, you can just download from the Google or iOS.
Yeah.
So just log in with your MathWorks account. It will work sir.
Manoj ji,
I downloaded from the Play Store actually.
actually we faced this difficulty during the COVID time.
Yes, sir.
Student
Yes.
was not with us, and
But right time, sir, in SGISS ITS, you have the campus wide license, sir. Any
right.
student can open this MATLAB online. This is my MATLAB online interface, and every student will get the 20 GB space
No,
here.
Okay.
we are using online only, Manoj ji. On our computer,
This is
we
no, sir.
take
This is my MATLAB. This is my installed MATLAB, sir. This is my installed MATLAB, but this is I have just access MATLAB through browser. Actually, sir, it has some limitation. Maybe some, if you want to connect some hardware, all type of hardware, it will not support. So maybe it will support your all the toolboxes 99%. But if you want to फुल फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी, अगर आपको मैटलैब में सब कुछ करना है, तो इट आई रिकमेंड कि आपको मैटलैब अपना सिस्टम में इंस्टॉल करिए, बट आपका मैक्सिमम वर्क आपका मैटलैब ऑनलाइन में भी हो जाएगा सर. मैटलैब ऑनलाइन में कहीं भी ओपन कर सकते हैं उसको. अगर स्टूडेंट आपको क्लास लेनी है, स्टूडेंट घर पे है,
फ्रॉम एनीवेयर.
यस सर, आपकी ऑफिशियल मेल आईडी से कहीं से भी एक्सेस कर सकते हैं.
मेल आईडी स्टूडेंट का जो इंस्टीट्यूट में रजिस्टर है उसी को कर सकता है ना वो.
यस सर, यस सर, यस सर.
तो वो सारे मेल आईडी आपने वहाँ परमिशन दिया हुआ है उसको?
सर जो आपका डोमेन है ना, उसको परमिशन दिया हुआ है हमने, डोमेन को. हाँ यस सर, उस डोमेन पे जो भी आपका स्टूडेंट फैकल्टी होगा, वो बस एक बार मैथवर्क्स पे जाए, अपना अकाउंट बनाए और उसको ऑटोमेटिक लाइसेंस मिल जाएगा. फिर वो उसको इंस्टॉल करे या उसको मैटलैब ऑनलाइन करे, कुछ भी कर सकता है.
ओके ओके ओके.
Sir, one question.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, Neeta this side. Sir, we have many packages for same algorithm. For example, extreme learning machine. We have more than one packages in MATLAB. So how can we select the best one? Is there any way in MATLAB so that we can select the best one?
In machine learning type of application, ma'am, you're talking?
Sir, I'm giving an example in machine learning. So
Okay.
I don't know,
Yes.
but I think in every stream there are many packages. Nowadays, many people add packages of their own. So how can I select which one is best?
Ma'am, this one actually I have this classification learner app. So if you want to apply, बहुत सारी आपको apply करनी है algorithm. तो एज ए मशीन लर्निंग एक्सपर्ट आपको मैम ये नहीं पता होता कि आपकी कौन सी एल्गोरिथम आपके डेटा पे कैसे काम करेगी. ओके, सो इस ऐप में आपके पास क्या ऑप्शन होता है कि अगर आप अपने डेटा को ट्रेन कर रहे हैं, तो यहाँ पे आपको ना, अभी मैं डेटा, लेट मी जस्ट ओपन सम टाइप ऑफ डेटा फ्रॉम द फाइल.
No sir, my question is like algorithm same है.
यस
but
मैम.
अलग अलग पैकेजेस है. मैं एक ही एल्गोरिथम की बात करूँ, लाइक एक्सट्रीम लर्निंग मशीन है, वो एक पैकेज P1 है, उसमें भी है, P2 में भी है. तो दोनों में से कौन सा यूज करूं मैं?
देखिए मैं बताता हूँ आपको. मैम मैं बताता हूँ आपको, अब जो मैटलैब के फंक्शंस होते हैं वो तो आपका एक ही मिलेगा मैम किसी पर्टिकुलर प्रॉब्लम को सोल्व करने के लिए. बट होता क्या है मैम, ये जो आपका थर्ड पार्टी होता है ना मैम, यहाँ पे एड ऑन, अगर आप एड ऑन में जाएंगे ना, सो हर फील्ड में कुछ एक्सपर्ट वर्क कर रहे हैं. सो
यस दैट्स व्हाट माय क्वेश्चन. हर एक एक्सपर्ट अपने अकॉर्डिंगली बना रहा है. तो कोई ऐसा मेथड है जिससे हम पता कर सके कि हम कौन सा यूज करें, मतलब दैट विल बी सम टाइम सेविंग.
यस मैम. सो ऐसा तो कोई मेथड नहीं, बिकॉज ये थर्ड पार्टी है मैम. तो आपको जो रिजल्ट बढ़िया देगा या आपको यूजफुल लगेगा, वो आपको ट्राई ही करना पड़ेगा, या वहां पे कुछ रिजल्ट होगा मैम.
हिट एंड ट्रायल पे.
हाँ, मतलब या तो आपको थोड़ा सा कंपेयर करना पड़ेगा कि विच इज बेस्ट, क्योंकि वो थर्ड पार्टी है, वो मैथवर्क्स के है ही नहीं मैम. वो ना एक्सपर्ट ने बनाए हैं और वो कम्युनिटी पे मिल जाते हैं आपको सारे थर्ड पार्टी.
यस सर, यस सर, यस सर. ओके सर, थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू सो मच.
Any other questions from participants? So if there is no more questions, we can close this session. We are very thankful to Mr. Manoj from MATLAB. It's a very informative and useful talk on the application of MATLAB for satellite technology. We are thankful, Mr. Manoj, to you.
Thank
Thank
you,
you very
thank you,
much.
sir, and thank you everyone for joining. Thank you. Good night.
Good night.
Thank you, Manoj.